Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fawaz bin Muhammad Fauzi. My metric number is 250955. Today I will present to you my final year project, which is constructing Univariate time series model and forecasting gold Dinar price. Many people will ask, what is gold Dinar? What is different between gold Dinar and gold? Okay, gold we can see in many type, which is coin, ring, necklace, and so many type of gold. But for gold dinar, they have only one type, which is coin. And gold have many have different of weight, which is some of them have 4 gram, 5 gram, 6 gram, even 10 gram. But for gold dinar, they have fixed of weight, which is 4.25 gram. For the introduction, in the time of the Khalifah Malik bin Marwan in 660, the first Islamic gold dinar was introduced. It was used until 1924 during the fall of the Osmania Turkish Empire. In 1997-1998, after the ASEAN countries were hit by several currency crises, the issue of restoring gold dinars be- began to be debated. Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad made a proposal to use the gold dinar in international trade to the OIC in 2001. All economic analysts, academic, and Islamic scholars have opened their eye to research and study of the use of gold dinar. The highlight of the gold dinar is that some countries are trying to apply it in their daily transaction. Only Malaysia, Sudan, Bahrain, and Iran show an interest to use gold dinar for trading. The problem statement. After the ASEAN countries were hit by several currency crises, Tun Dr. Mahathir have proposed to use gold dinar for international trade and ringgit for local transaction. The gold dinar system was proposed to be used as a bilateral payment system arrangement (BPA) with 24 countries that Malaysia trade with. This proposal was only welcomed by Iran, Bahrain, and Sudan, and has not so far been implemented in Malaysia. And let's researcher talk about gold dinar. For the research question, how is the fluctuation of gold dinar price in next 12 months? Which univariate time series model is most suitable to be used in gold dinar price forecasting for next 12 months in global? For the objective, to forecast gold dinar price next 12 months and to choose the best univariate time series method in forecasting the gold dinar price. Scope of the study. In this project, I use a secondary data searching from internet has been selected, which I got from the Kelantan Gold Trade. And the data used in this study is historical monthly price from April 2016 until June 2020. For the literature review, on November 7, 2001, the world's first modern gold dinar was minted and launched by the Islamic Mint in collaboration with the Thomas Cook Rostamani Exchange Company and Dubai Islamic Bank in United Arab Emirates UAE by Vadilo and Omar Ibrahim 2002. And according to Rosli Yaakob 2007, to obtain gold can be traded in all 7 states of UAE country at the branch of the Thomas Cook Rostamani Exchange Company and Dubai Islamic Bank. According to Utusan Malaysia, January 22nd, 2008, first gold dinar produced in Malaysia is Royal Mint of Malaysia. Until today, there are 5 gold dinar factories in the world, and they are in Dubai, Spain, South Africa, United Arab Emirates, UAE, and Indonesia by the Hindian 2008. For methodology, there are four steps to do a forecasting to estimate. First, divided the data into two parts. Second, find the data pattern. Third, find the suitable technique. Fourth, calculate the measurement error. First, divide the data into two parts. Okay, I divide the data for two part, which is modeling and evaluation. The reason I divide into two parts because we calculate different, so we can know which technique is very suitable to forecast the data. In my case, I got 63 months from April 2016 until June 2020. I divide into two part, which is 48 month for modeling part and 15 month for evaluation part. Second step is find the data pattern. I can use whether is YT versus T, autocorrelation, and KW test. There are four types of data pattern, which is trend, irregular fluctuation, seasonal, and cyclical. From my data, from gold dinar price from April 2016 until June 2020, I got my data is irregular fluctuation. After I know my data is irregular fluctuation, so the next step, I must choose a suitable technique to do a forecasting. There are many types of technique that I can use. There are knife method, knife trend, knife rate of change, double moving average, method of average, double exponential smoothing Hall method, double exponential smoothing Brown method, time series regression and analysis, single exponential smoothing, cubic multiple regression, and there are many other types that can be used to do a forecasting. In my case, I choose a suitable technique for gold dinner price is knife method, method of average, and single exponential smoothing. After I choose several technique, I must know from the three technique which is better to do a forecasting. So I must calculate and find the mean absolute deviation MAD, mean square error MSE, root mean square error RMSE, mean absolute percentage error MAPE, mean percentage error MPE. This is the result from my calculation. As you can see, in this table they have a rank. The reason I put a rank, so I can know which method have the lowest number for MAD, MSE, RMSE, MAPE, MPE. And as you can see, method of average is the lowest total rank, which is 5, followed by knife method 10, and lastly single exponential smoothing 15. So I choose a method of average for my method to do a forecasting. This is the result from my calculation for the gold dinner price for next 12 months, which is from July 2020 until June 2021. As you can see, in July 2020, the price for gold dinar is 947.09 cent, followed by 9,068 ringgit 27 cent, and until June 2021, the price is 997.74 cent. For the conclusion, This study managed to identify the model that can be used to forecast the future gold dinar price by using historical data of gold dinar and analyze the best forecasting method based on the lowest value of error. In other words, the objective of gold dinar price for next 12 months is achieved by implement the selected model. This is the example of dinar emas. In the left is dinar from Negeri Perak, the Rizwan, and the bottom one is dinar from Public Gold, and the right the, is dinar from Kelantan, and the bottom one is dinar Sri Ayu. This is reference from my final year project. Thank you.